Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more very fancy mocktail, pineapple Fizzberry mocktail. You can try this mocktail with the pineapple flavor. First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to pour 30 to 40 ml of pineapple crush. Okay. After that, you have to pour 60 ml of pineapple juice. That's it. Don't add more juice for this mocktail. Okay. After that, you have to pour some lime juice. 5 to 10 ml of lime juice, and simply you have to fill the glass with ice cube. Okay. After that, you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Then take a tall glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the fancy pineapple color. Okay. After that, simply you have to pour some. Before that, just did it. Then pour little bit of soda. Okay, 30 to 60 ml of soda, and simply you have to pour the cranberry juice on top of the bottle. You can pour this juice with the help of bar spoon so that it will form some layer. Yeah, the fancy mocktail you can try. It's very fancy mocktail actually, mocktail. Yes. So your pineapple Fizzberry mocktail is ready. You can garnish the mocktail with pineapple slices, but I'm not having pineapple slices, then I'm garnishing the mocktail with lime slices. Okay, and the garnish. Okay, no problem. See, very fancy mocktail actually you can try. You can see the mocktail and color. Yeah, the color came with the pineapple flavor. I hope you like this mocktail, pineapple Fizzberry mocktail with the combination of pineapple crush, pineapple juice, and lime juice, and cranberry juice and soda. Very fancy mocktail. You can try 2-layer based mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Please prepare this mocktail and enjoy the mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please like and subscribe my channel. If you want to learn about more like mocktail video, you can see my all video. Thank you.